Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator. Today I'm going to show you a simple chart that can help you make money consistently. In Stock Navigator, we call it a Sushi chart. So as you know that as a technical trader, we make a mistake. We're always using too many indicators, and on the chart it makes it so crowded, so complicated. When you're using too many indicators, can potentially lead to confusion and analysis paralysis. Traders can end up with conflicting signal or unclear indication of the market trend, can result in incorrect trade or missed opportunities. Using too many indicators can make it difficult to focus on the most important factor affecting the particular market, leading to a loss of overall market perspective. Finding the right balance of indicators can work well for your trading strategy is key. Indicators are just one aspect of the comprehensive trading plan. What you need to do is keep it simple, stupid. KISS is a well-known principle in trading that emphasizes the importance of keeping things simple and avoiding unnecessary complexity. The principle suggests that traders should focus on the most important aspect of the trading and avoid over-complicating their strategy or analysis. This means using only the necessary indicators and tools to make trading decisions and keeping the chart as simple as possible. The KISS principle in trading can be useful in a number of ways. It can help traders avoid analysis paralysis, which can occur when they have too much information and don't know which indicator or signal to follow. By keeping things simple, traders can focus on the most important aspect of the market and make more confident trading decisions. In addition, keeping it simple can also help traders better understand the market trend and price movements, as they are not distracted by unnecessary information or noise. The keep it simple, stupid principle is a helpful reminder to traders to keep their trading strategy and analysis simple and focus on the most important factor and not get caught up in an unnecessary complexity. In order to keep it simple, you need to use a clean chart layout with minimal distraction. Remove unnecessary lines, colors, and indicators that don't add value to your analysis. Choose a clear and easy to read font and the font size for all of the chart elements, including the exit label, chart title, and any annotation. Avoid using too many time frames on the same chart. Instead, focus on one or two relevant time frames that fit your trading style and analysis. Limit the number of chart types you use. Stick to the most common types such as the candlestick or bar chart. Use horizontal support and resistance lines to highlight the key price level. These lines can help you identify areas of price congestion, breakouts, and potential reversal points. Avoid overcrowding the chart with too many technical indicators. Only use the indicators that you find the most helpful for your trading strategy, and make sure you fully understand how they work. Keep your chart up to date and remove outdated analysis. Don't let your chart become crowded with all price levels or indicators that are no longer relevant. Regularly review your chart and analyze the price action to refine your trading strategy and adjust your chart accordingly. And this is a simple Sushi chart that we are using in Stock Navigator. The reason we call it a Sushi chart because it comes with multiple colors. So the main color is the red color. They tell you the price chart is going down. But in the green color, the price chart going up. You can also see a transition color like pink color when they start from bull cycle to the bear cycle, or sometimes they're in the sideways until they be able to conform to the green or the red color. You also see another line here they call a bear control line. When the Sushi chart color red below the bear control line, you know that the trend is completely in the downtrend. You continue short the market in the downtrend. When the price above the bull control line, it means that the trend is start getting more bullish, so you stay in the uptrend and looking for opportunity to buy in the dip, or it's in the downtrend, you're looking for opportunity to short it on the tip. And you also have another golden line here we call the line of control. This line here to tell you that the bear, it will be more bearish or it will be more bullish when the price be able to get back above the line of control. So this is the proprietary indicator that we build for our member at Stock Navigator. So it will help you to eliminate by using too many indicators and eliminate a lot of noise and keep your chart simple. And I'm going to demonstrate a lot of sector and stock here so that I can show you how the chart works and help you can see the value of the simple Sushi chart with a simple live control and a bear and the bull control line. Okay, so stay tuned. As you know that the stock market, it can be a very dangerous play without the right education. That's where the expert trader code from Stock Navigator come in. This code is designed to provide you with the education you need to become a successful day trader or a stock investor based on your specific trading objective. You will have access to our live 24-hour community support for learning and trading, as well as a daily live trading, daily market recap, and mentoring live session. Our goal is to train, mentor, and empower our students to operate independently with confidence in navigating the market. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Take a next step and watch the free webinar by clicking on the link in the description below. And if you like what we're doing here for you every time, please share it to your friend and hit the like button and give me any comment so that I can make more video for you. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate the Sushi chart with the live control and the bull bear line with a many stock that you can see how they're effective, and then I can show you one of the trade that I recently took, and then I can show you we'll be able to generate a great income based on the symbol chart. Okay, so now this chart here as we showed you earlier, so this is a first solar chart. As you can see here, since November 2021, the price on the Sushi chart turned red. They dropped below the bear control. The market continued to go down, and then they come back up, and then they try to get up about the bull line, but because the live control is to tell you that the market is to the bear side, in the bear side, so it means that you are to continue to looking for the next opportunity to short the market. So until July 2022, the chart had turned around and be able to break out the live control, and they stay above the bull control line. So the market is getting more bullish. So the people start getting, and then you stick with the trend, stick with the color of the chart, and you stay it up. And then when it goes too far, and then they will tend to come back. And then as you can see here, the chart put it back right into the bull control line. They found a support, and we're looking for an opportunity to put it back up. And then they keep doing that, and you can see that the chart continue to give you a multiple point to buy the dip and continue to put the chart to the upside, as you can see here. Right, so that you can see how powerful, without any indicator on the sub panel, we'll be able to pinpoint every entry to get into the market. So that's the concept that all you need to do, remember, based on the color of Sushi chart, based on the bear and the bull control line, and then based on the live control, we can the chart can help you to identify and take the action in the bear side or the bull side. So as you know that lately the market is trying to turn around, so some of the sector they doing very well. Let's say XLP, okay, consumer stable. As you can see here, on this chart here, it's a similar concept. You can see that every time the market be able to break out above the bull line, break out above the live control, so the bull taken over. So I will pick up, let's say, two stocks from XLP, which is the consumer table, to demonstrate for you. So first of all, let's say GIF, okay, that the General Mills. You can see that recently the market come after they came down on the bear side. They still stay above the live control, so the bull is still bullish. We're only looking for opportunity to buy in the dip. So when the Sushi chart turn green and stay above the bull line, this is where you can take the trade and then put it up to the upside. So if you buy it over here, they are still on the way to move up. And next one, let's say McDonald's. Okay, McDonald's, you can see here, when they come down here below the bear line, they come down, they follow support, they turn right back up. When the moment they be able to stay above the bull line, stay above the live control. So the bull take over, they shoot it up, and then when it's too far, they pull back. And now they were able to break through the downtrend line and then stay above the bull line. So the stock will continue to put it up to the upside, as you can see. The next sector doing very well lately, that is the XLK, which is the technology. So the technology that you can see that in the past, this stock also get hit hard. Right? When it price below the bear line, the Sushi check turned red. So everything is still in the downside. People continue to short it until they be able to stay above the bull side. So the market put it back up, but they hit right into the live control. It means that the bear only be able to run up here. They run up that, and then they continue to put it to the short side. We will continue to short to the downside. They try again in December 2022, couldn't do it, and then they fell again. So until the bull line be able to take over the live control, so the bull take over. So the people buy here and then they stay above the live control. So you can take a first shot here, and the market pull back. They give you another opportunity right here at the bull line, and then people continue to buy the dip and continue to put it back up. So as you know that the technology sector doing very well. So a couple of topics I want to show you how it look like based on the symbol Sushi chart. You see here, same thing. So when the market in the bear side, Nvidia, they talk about the NVDA. When the chart turn red, everything that go downside. A couple of times they try to buy back up, but the Sushi chart will tell you it's yet a rebound. It's not a bullseye yet, and it's still below the bear line. And then they continue short it until the downside. And the moment they break it back here, so they put it back up right into the live control. They cannot hold on to it. They pull back down, and finally the trend is changing when the bull line be able to take over the live control. You can see that Nvidia continue to put it back up. The chart give you a Kenyan color and green color, and then they shoot it up from the bottom here, stay up to the upside right now. Okay, and next one, let's say Palo Alto Network, PANW. So same thing, you know, when it's still below the live control, people continue to short it. When they break out, stay above the live control, the bull in control. So the chart shoot it back up and continue to back and forward to the upside. Microsoft, for example, it also do the same thing. Whether in the bad trend, people continue to short it in the direction of the color of the Sushi chart. They put it back up, same thing, hit to the live control, couldn't do it. People continue to short to the downside, try it again, fail to make a high, and break through the live control until they be able to come back up, and the Sushi chart turn green, they stay above the live control, they pull back retest, give you another try here, and continue to put it to the upside for now. And a couple of big cap stocks, you see the Apple do the same thing. When the bear side, below live control, everything is red. Okay, below the bear line, people continue to short it until they be able to break out, and now the chart give you a decent move from the support up to the level here right now. Another one, for example, Boston Scientific, the ticket symbol BSX. So this one here, same thing. When they are in the short side, people continue to short in the direction of the color of the Sushi chart. When they turn around here, the bull line take over the control, so the market it continue to put it back up. People continue to buy the dip every time they put it back up, and continue to the chart is still in green, no sign of red color yet or overbought yet. So the stock will continue to put it up to the upside. Another sector that you can see that people talk about lately, that's the financial market. Look at the financial market on the XLF, which is if you trade ETF. So the financial sector is already in trouble. As you can see here, when the price dropped below here until by beginning of March, right? The big trouble for the financial market already show up in here when the price dropped below the bear line, and then continue to go down until the March 10, which is the Silicon Valley Bank the Federal they shut down that bank, and then the whole sector collapsed to the downside, as you can see there. So, and a couple of stocks that you can see that the Silicon Valley Bank, they shut down. So anybody invest in that stock, all the money is gone. Now, a couple of stocks that also in the same group. Let's say you talk about the next potential bankrupt one, which is a Republic Bank. They also, in the February 27, this stock already troubled. You can see that they all below the live control. The Sushi Jack already in the section of change to the red color, the pink color, and then they drop below the bear control line, and this stock never come back. And look at here, if it's on the February 27, if you don't get out at $130, now become at $14. As you can see, how powerful the Jack will get you ahead of the time. Not yet, because when the Fed shut down the other bank and the other bank collapsed, and as you can see that, but the Sushi Jack and the bear line and the live control already tell you ahead that this stock is in big trouble, as you can see that, right? So the Jack it really tell you exactly, like many times here they put it back up, but they may never be able to hold on to the live control, and then they turn around and continue to the downside. So the bank have been in trouble a long time, since 2021, as you can see there. They never be able to take control back to the line of control. So the bank have been in trouble for a long time, not yet now. Okay. The last sector I want to talk about is the XLC. As you can see here, that the communication is also doing well. So you can see here, when the bull line be able to the price tag above the bull line, the market push it back up, they come back retest, and then the bull line take control over the live control. So they give you a lot more opportunity to put it up to the upside. And a couple of stocks in this sector, let's say ATVI, okay, that's the Activision Bizarre. This one here, it also, when you see the price here, they are sideways choppy. At the moment they break out the live control, and then the price it push it back up, people continue and push it up to the upside, and they are continue to shoot it up, and then still in the direction of the trend right now. And I'm going to show you one more stock in this sector, which is the Meta, which is the old fable, the ticker symbol META. But you see that on this stock here, this is the stock that I want to highlight, and then I took the trade on this stock also recently here. So I just close it. I just want to show you how powerful the symbol chart that can make you money consistently. Okay, so you can see that this chart, every time they pull back to the bear line, they continue to drop to the downside, and you see all the chart color it turn down to the bear side. So the price it completely under the bear line, it completely under of the live control, and then the market continue to put it down. Every time they put up, people continue to short to the downside until January 2023. This stock be able to break out the bear line and become the bull line. The price it continue to hit it up and right into the live control, and then they have a good earning. They break out live control, so the bull it continue to put it back up, but momentum it shoot it up. When the bull line be able to take over the live control, they tell you more bull to come. So I took the trade here over here, and then I put it back up to my first target, and I bought 10 contract of option for $12,000, and then I sold it for almost $40,000 there. So the net profit was $27,886. So the percentage gain is 230%. As you can see here, by using a symbol chart, and this is my statement from the broker account, as you can see here. So we are making 230% yet for more than a month whole, as you can see. Okay, so I bought it on February 21st. I sold for April 4 and closed it all 10 contract and make a nice gain. Right, so that yet a simple trading, that you can see that if you be able to using a chart at Stock Navigator that we created, the proprietary chart that we build for our members, so that help them and guide them so that they can stay in the right side market. And this chart, it's very simple. You don't need a lot of indicator. You don't need a lot of fancy stuff. We already coded into the chart, and then it's very easy for you to identify. And if you would like to learn more, please join our Stock Navigators so that you can get a lot more advanced technical analysis, and we can help you and guide you and train you and mentor you until you are successful. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that you enjoy my analysis. Don't forget to give me a thumb up. Take care, and then I will see you in the next video. Thank you, everyone.